Hi, I'm John D'Ambrosia. I'm chairman of the Ethernet Alliance. But when I'm not doing that, I'm chairing the development of 400 gig Ethernet over in the IEEE 802.3 Ethernet Working Group. I'd like to give you a little bit of an update right now on what's happening with 400 gig. It's very exciting as we're starting to see the proposals actually get selected and the actual solution is starting to emerge. We've had a lot of discussion and decisions on the architecture, which is going to be a very flexible architecture, future looking for technologies that are yet to come, such as higher speed electrical signaling and different modulation formats. We've really spent a lot of time on that. We've also made decisions regarding electrical interfaces, which I think may be interest to a lot of you out there. First of all, 400 gig will have a electrical interface developed based on 16 by 25 gig on NRZ signaling. But when we went to 50 gig, yes, that's right, 50 gig, we are now going to go to a PAM4. This is a huge, huge decision for the industry, and I want to make sure everyone's aware of that. So we're going to start looking at changing, really, I would say, a fundamental signaling that's been going on for some time and move it to PAM4. So I'm very excited about that. It's always interesting in a project when you have these sort of major steps happening. From the optical side, we have made the decisions on the multi-mode fiber. It's going to be a 16 by 25 going over 16 fibers in each direction. It's really the single mode fiber that is the most interesting. When you think about going faster optically, you can do it in a number of ways. You can go faster, you can add fibers, you can add lambdas, and you can actually even add modulation. And what we see is proposals that are doing all of these things. In some cases, NRZ based on 8 by 50 or 8 by 50 PAM4, 4 by 100 PAM4, doing it over 4 fibers. And then another one is a discrete multitone for 4 by 100 to go over 10 kilometers. So we've got a lot of options, and that's the real challenge in front of the task force right now is to start consolidating and converging on solutions and not just having all of these options. I will say it is very exciting that we do have all of these options, and I'm sure it's going to be something that we have to deal with in the future as well, but we have an architecture that is going to allow that. So I'm very excited with where 400 gig is going.